AG1.
Oh, they arrived.
AG1. This arrived really fast. Must have come from New Zealand. I only ordered it a few days ago. It was expensive. Let's see what's in here. You're going to need a smaller cabinet. The packaging is fancy. What is this, like a little booklet? So this was the starter pack. You get the starter pack by doing a subscription, but I plan on cancelling the subscription unless this stuff is amazing, because it is really expensive. Because you go with the subscription though, you do get this starter pack which comes with like your drinky shaker bottle, the 1 month supply, and the container to keep it in, which actually is cool because we keep our old True Protein greens powder that we used to use in a jar because getting it out of these bags kind of sucks. So let's have a look. This is their fancy clear bottle that you see all over the internet. It's actually pretty nice. Metal lid. Dishwasher safe. Cool. Scooper. Oh, that's actually metal. That's very fancy. No wonder this shit's so expensive. That's pretty cool. This is the 1 month supply pack. So it's actually 360 grams, which is a lot. The other greens powder that we have been getting from True Protein, I think is about half that amount. AG1 metal scoop isn't the same as your average scoop. One level scoop delivers 12 grams of micronutrients. Yeah, okay, whatever. And the other stuff you get with this sign up is this AG1 dietary supplement of vitamin D3 and K2. I see people dropping this on their tongue. I don't know why you wouldn't just put it in the shaker bottle with your greens, but whatever. Anyway, it's supposed to be a 1 year supply, so you don't need very much each day. And these are the 5 travel packs of AG1, which I think are like sachets, a 12 gram sachet. Yeah. Cool. What else? Anything else? Nope, that's it. Empty box. So if you saw on our video from about a week ago, the 10 things that I do every day, I have greens powder every single day. Used to be True Protein. They changed the recipe. Now I hate it. So today, myself, Yelena, and my friend Wombat, we all drink greens powder every single day. We're going to be doing a blind taste test of the old True Protein greens powder, the new True Protein greens powder, and AG1, and we're going to see which one tastes the best and whether AG1 is worth basically double the price or more of the True Protein greens powder. So stick around. Time for the blind taste test to see if AG1 is better than the original True Greens or the horrible new and improved True Greens. You've been having the new one?
I have.
I've
had the new one. I don't mind it.
You don't mind it?
I don't mind it.
Okay, well I hate it. We'll mix these up. I've put about 350 ml of water in each of these. That's what AG1 recommend, is about 350 ml of water. True doesn't actually recommend what amount of water you put it with. How much do you normally put it with?
About what you've got there.
About that,
yeah.
Glass.
How many scoops do you normally put in?
Yeah, that's a good question.
2 pretty decent sized ones. Yeah, and the smaller one, the one that comes with these.
It does actually say mix 5 grams, 2 level teaspoons with water. I only ever do 1.
Yeah, no, I'm two pretty heaped ones.
2 heaped ones.
So we're putting 2 in here?
This is 360 grams, whereas that is 200 grams.
And the new one is 150
is 150 grams. So this is more than double the current True Protein greens powder in terms of grams. It's also basically triple the price. This is about $150 a month because they recommend a scoop that's 12 grams per day. So it's more than double what they recommend putting in this amount of water as what True recommend putting in the same amount of water on a daily basis. The option would be you could do maybe less of this each day and stretch it out a bit longer, and it might actually still be doing the same or more for you than that, but there's no way of us knowing, and we're not scientists, so. I'm going to put what they recommend in here. This is the fancy shaker bottle that come with the onboarding kit from AG1.
I hate this packaging. You always end up.
Well, that's why that thing's good.
I think you
With a green hand.
You lose half of it onto your hand.
So they put it in this new packaging and changed it slightly, but every now and then, if it's fuller, I've picked this up off the shelf and the lid's popped off, and what you don't want is that to fall on the ground and end up being like...
What did you work out the price per daily serve was?
Well, it's funny you say that. I think that I based this off this being $70 retail price. I think it's actually $60 retail.
Yeah, this is almost double the price on a daily basis.
Yes.
But it's very similar price per gram when you work it out on like a per gram.
Yeah.
So this is maybe very close to the same price per gram to AG1, but if you take it the way AG1 recommend, it's going to cost you double.
And you said that one's a smaller one than that one, isn't it?
Yeah, so they kept the price the same, but they just cut 50 grams out of the new pack.
The old shrinkflation.
Shrinkflation gets you again. And they made it taste like shit. I mean...
According to Juzzy.
According to me. We'll see. We've got soda water, it's a palate cleanser. So we've all been drinking this greens powder for years.
This greens powder?
Well, the true greens powder for years. But we used to mix it with a vitamin C powder that True used to do as well, which they discontinued.
Also, bring that back.
Bring it back. Or this has actually got vitamin C in it. So it'll be interesting to see.
That's where the extra cost is.
Could be. But
I guess when you do that as the math, if you take into the equation the vitamin C powder as well as the greens powder, maybe it was more expensive than AG1.
You guys have each one of these.
I'll take that one.
I'll take
goes
that
over
one.
Wonderful.
Ooh.
I'm already confused.
Yeah, but now we've got to mix them up.
Dun,
So,
dun, 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 dun,
well,
dun,
that's not
dun.
really going to help. Oh, here, let me do you. Close your eyes, Wombat. Don't peek. You're looking.
I had no idea from the start. They definitely look different.
They do look different, but don't memorise which one's which. Hope you didn't have anywhere to be. All right.
All right, so this end is going to be
Best
best.
to worst.
All right,
That's how we're lining them up.
Yeah, you just
Okay.
figure it out.
thumbs up.
Ugh. Cleanse the palate.
Cleans it. We should have put vodka in these.
That'd really
Got
cleanse the
fireball
palate.
inside.
Ooh.
Straight
You're
away,
just-
I know that one's the new one. It smells different.
Or AG1.
Ugh.
I wonder if that's the vitamin C you can taste in that.
I was going to say, I wonder if there has been alcohol in my cup before we got greens.
We might have played a drinking game with these cups before.
Recycle, reuse.
The pineapple is more prominent in one of them than the other one.
There's a lot of greens.
It's good. We'll be immune to everything.
I'm going to call it now. I think AG1 is my least favourite.
That's good because that'll save us $300 a month.
I'm pretty happy with where I got them sitting. I'm still not sure which is which out of them two. But I think I might have the old version of the True Greens at number 1.
I reckon you do.
I haven't tasted that pineapple in a while.
This one's almost got like a bit of a fizzy something to it. A bit odd. The smell's way different.
Like creamy soda?
Yeah, that's what I'm getting, creamy soda.
Yeah. And that's why I thought my cup had alcohol in it from a different time.
I'm worried that I've ended up with the new True as my favourite. It doesn't taste the same as it did the other day when I was almost throwing up at the gym.
So first one,
Yeah, well, what do you reckon it is? Or do you have no idea?
I think my favourite one is the old True Greens. And my least favourite one is the AG1.
All right.
I think I've got them in that order as well. But I wonder, is it just because we've drank this for so long.
You're used to it. Yeah, I reckon I've got.
Yeah, but recently we've been drinking this, so it's not like I think that's why I like it, because I was like, oh, there's that flavour that I've been missing. And pineapple, even though this is pineapple.
I reckon I've got the AG1 old green, old true, new true, but there's a small chance that that's new true and that's AG1.
Shall we?
All right, have a look.
New true.
AG1.
OG true. So I was off with my pineapple flavour.
So you've got the new one.
Yep, and it's my favourite one.
It's your favourite one.
Apparently.
What's your favourite one?
I've got the OG. Yep.
Yeah. And second favourite.
OG true.
OG true,
New true.
new true. Right. So AG1 was your least as well.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's that creamy soda
Yeah, but
taste.
there's something
I don't
soft
like.
drinky about it.
new true is okay. Yep. That's what I thought.
So what did you have at number one?
The AG1.
AG1.
But I don't know if it is good enough to pay the $150 a month for it.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't be.
No.
That wouldn't get me over the line.
I'd love to know, like I'm tempted to mix up like a half serve.
Yeah, creamy soda.
Like I can smell
I
it.
burped it back up. Ugh. But it's not something I would choose to drink.
Not when you're trying to drink something green.
Yeah. Whereas I do like the pineapple taste.
So what do you do? 2 of these.
Well, I only normally do one.
What did you do for the
2.
test? 2. Less than half. Because 2 of these is 5 grams, 1 of these is 12 grams. So we're just going to try 5 grams.
Well, you could do what I do and have 2.5 grams every day, which is 1 scoop, and then this lasts 60 days.
Probably does nothing.
I've actually never read the box. He just told me to do 2 scoops.
Just going to sip it out of the bottle.
No, I thought maybe you guys might want to try it. Same dose. Use code Justin AG1. No. But we'll
Woo,
just.
woo. Don't waste it on me.
All right.
Still
Let's see.
smells like creamy soda.
Yeah, I might let that sit.
Too fizzy. Yeah, palate cleanser.
No, still smells like creamy soda. Can I drink out of your cup, Juzzy, to see if it's the cup that I can smell?
Yep.
Maybe you could mix it with vodka and then...
Health.
Vodka True Green. Imagine that. Yeah, OD on all
No,
the...
it's still there.
It's definitely their flavour
Yeah.
that they've put in it. Has, I don't know what that flavour is, but... I mean, a half dose tastes equally as strong. I reckon I'm going to go a half dose instead of full dose, and I'll try this out for
Well, that was
a
5
month.
grams as compared to what?
12. Yeah, it's already got the vitamin C in it. Yeah, I don't know. It's not as different as I thought it would be. Is that the new True?
This is the new True. Turns out I am a fan of it.
Yeah, definitely the old one for me.
Oh no, I got the bad aftertaste of the.
Well, you didn't drink the bottom of
There's
it.
definitely something in that messes with my taste buds. If I drink
Pineapple.
it fast,
It's
it's
the
the pineapple,
pineapple.
and it's got like a sickly aftertaste.
It does.
Yeah,
That new
can't-
one does have a sip.
I've got a sweet
True.
tooth.
No,
No good.
just go back to this one. This one was good. Just do this one. We'll keep buying it.
With
It-
vitamin C.
It is still
Yeah.
nice.
Do this
OG
with
True.
vitamin C in it, and we'll pay not this price for it, but a little more, just a little bit, $5 more. So what's the verdict? You're going to keep doing the new one, but
Well, I mean, I still prefer the old one, but
You
you
don't
got
have
no
a
options.
choice.
But yeah, will you look around for something else?
well, that was the only other direction I was going to go. So no.
Not this. No.
Not this
Okay.
time.
And you're going to keep going with the new one because
Yep.
you like it apparently.
Well, apparently I do.
All
Blind
right.
taste test works.
I'll update you in 1 month and see if I'm any healthier, and if it's worth spending $150 a month on this. I don't know if it is. Thanks, Wombat.
I've had so much grief.